Okay, so we're at the Stratosphere, so I figured I'd just walk through this sort of hotel, kind of show you what you see when you enter through valet. Seating area there, if you want to rest up from whatever it is you were doing, whatever that is. If you're a VIP, you can go there. If you're not a VIP, you can go right here. So, just walk through here real briefly. I'm going to go up in the tower, which means you're going to go up in the tower. So I don't think we're going to ride up together, but when I get up there, I'm going to show you around what you can see from the top of the tallest observation deck west of the Mississippi. Well, again, got your sort of, what do you want to call it, over there, sundries and such. I always kind of like this casino. It gets a bad rap. It's not the greatest neighborhood, but I don't think it's too bad. I'm actually going to go for a walk down to the SLS so you can see what that walk is like. That's not bad. If you come around here, I believe this is where you can get a ride. That's what I'm going to do. But not quite yet. Roxy's Diner. This has been here for a good 20 years. I think it was here when this place opened. I ate there once. It was kind of fun. And the food was pretty good. I need to eat something today. I keep forgetting to eat when I'm in Las Vegas. And again, coming around to the back side of the casino. There's another eating place up here. McCall's Heartland Grill. So, and Fellini's Italian Dining. So, that's what you see. It's a little walkabout here at the Stratosphere. Actually, if we go back this way, is the way you get to the buffet, which I don't recommend this buffet, but I haven't tried it in quite a number of years. But the last time I tried it, it was frankly quite, yeah, not good. Not good. So hopefully I caught him on a bad day, and it's better now. Anyway, it's a little walk through at the Stratosphere. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.